Hey there, I'm Desiree with JM Roofing. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce you to our company. JM Roofing was established in 2005 and has been serving our community ever since. We know that you may have been affected by recent storms, and we want to let you know that we are here to help you and your family. So if you are in need of any emergency services, like having your roof tarped, don't hesitate to call us today. Or you can click the link below to schedule an appointment. We look forward to helping you resolve all of your roofing needs.